I'm Tara Monster, and I like to make things. Today, I will be showing you how to make an easy, no-sew t-shirt mask. The CDC is recommending that we wear a mask when we go out in public. And I've been noticing that a lot of the YouTube tutorials on making t-shirt masks do not include a filter. Now, wearing just a t-shirt mask without a filter, you might as well not be wearing a mask at all. So today I'm going to show you how to make one with no sewing that has a filter pocket so that you can stay protected. Look how cute that is, and easy to make. So let's get crafting. Step 1 is to cut off the sleeves. Step 2 is to measure the height of your mask. You'll want to make it 12 inches. Mark it with your chalk. Now you want to cut along the bottom of your shirt. Cut off that seam, you won't use that, and make a strip about 1 inch wide. Now you want to cut down the side seams, and the same on the other side. And now you have 2 pieces. Stretch your 2 pieces into ropes. And now we're going to fold the mask in to make the pocket for your filter. You want to fold it in about 1.5 inches on each side. So after you fold in your sides for the filter, you'll want to measure the length of your mask. I want my mask to be 10 inches because the width on my face I want is 8 inches and I want an extra inch on each side. And now we're going to fold in 1 inch on each side. 1 inch. And then we're going to cut in just a little bit, and the width will be 1/2 inch apart. Just enough to make some little slits. Don't cut in too far because when you open up your mask, it will be double the width that you cut here. Do the same on the other side. Fold in 1 inch and make those tiny cuts. Now unfold and you're going to take those ropes that you made and weave them in and out of the holes. Just like that. Now we'll do the other side. And now all you have to do is add your filter. I recommend using a coffee filter, or actually one of these blue shop towels works really well too. Cut it to the right size. And put it inside. And look how cute our mask is. Not bad for not having to sew at all. It's even got a filter. And if you like, you can actually just weave a little piece of wire in up here. Again, no sewing, and that will make it fit on your nose even tighter. But I feel pretty protected in this knowing that it's got a filter inside too. So if you enjoyed today's tutorial, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel where you can get a new DIY tutorial every day. I'd also just like to show off my Luna Cat sweatshirt. It is another one of my creations that you can get at revivalinc.com. I'll put the link down below in the description. Thanks! You can stay protected.